Lucking out. Unraveling the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English phrase, luck out. If you've ever been puzzled by this expression, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. Luck out is an informal phrase in English which means to have unexpected good luck. When someone says they lucked out, they're telling you that something good happened to them, often surprisingly or against the odds. For example, if you find a $20 bill on the street, you might exclaim, "Wow, I really lucked out today." While the exact origins of luck out are a bit murky, it's believed to have originated in American English during the early to mid-20th century. The phrase captures the unpredictability of luck. Sometimes, things just fall into place in a pleasant and unexpected way. To get a feel for how luck out is used in context, let's look at a few examples. 1. I lucked out and got the last ticket to the concert. 2. She thought she'd missed the bus, but lucked out when it was running late. 3. We lucked out with the weather on our camping trip. It was sunny the whole time. Notice how in each of these examples, the phrase emphasizes an unexpected positive outcome. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary, there are other ways to convey a similar meaning. Strike it lucky. This also means to suddenly experience good luck. Hit the jackpot. While often used in the context of gambling, it can mean a big, often unexpected, success or reward. Fortune smiled upon someone, a poetic way of saying someone was lucky. There you have it. Now, whenever you hear or see the phrase, luck out, you'll know it's all about celebrating those surprising moments of good fortune. We hope you lucked out by finding this video, and that it has added value to your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!